The debut of Toyota's new Corolla race car, which runs on hydrogen fuel, marks the start of a shift in the world of auto racing away from gas-guzzling vehicles. Toyota has made a statement about their commitment to developing environmentally friendly vehicles by introducing a humble Corolla running on liquid hydrogen in a sprawling circuit near Mount Fuji, marking its debut in the racing world and showcasing futuristic technology. Clad in a fire-resistant racing suit, Toyota chairman Akio Toyoda appeared delighted as he readied himself to take a spin around the track in the Corolla, powered by hydrogen fuel. Toyoda, a licensed race car driver and grandson of Toyota's founder, expressed his excitement for the world-first liquid hydrogen car race. He hopes that this will provide an alternative solution in the battle against climate change. Toyoda also shared his desire to bring joy to everyone by completing at least one additional lap, even if it's only 1 second more. According to Toyota officials, the hydrogen-powered Corolla race car that competed in the Super Taikyu 24-hour race at Fuji Speedway is not slated for release at dealerships in the near future. Rather, the race served as a mere trial for the underlying technology. In contrast to electric cars, this vehicle utilizes a combustion engine that runs on liquid hydrogen rather than gasoline. Despite selling approximately 10 million vehicles annually, Toyota Motor Corp has been left behind in the global transition to battery-powered EVs. However, the automaker has been relying on hydrogen as a possible carbon-neutral alternative for several years. According to industry professionals, hydrogen is a highly promising energy source. Despite this, a significant portion of the hydrogen currently utilized, including that powering the Corolla race car, is derived from non-renewable fossil fuels, such as natural gas. In Japan, the need to find alternative energy sources has become more pressing due to the combination of soaring fuel prices and increasing concerns over global warming, particularly because the country imports nearly all of its oil. The world of auto racing has been steadily progressing towards leaving behind the noisy, gas-guzzling engines of the past. Honda Motor Company, a competitor of Toyota, recently announced its return to Formula One racing, citing the new regulations as a chance to explore and advance new technologies. Following suit, other major automakers such as General Motors Company have also pledged their commitment to this cause. During a recent event, Pierre Filon, who serves as the president of the Automobile Club de l'Ouest, the organizer of Le Mans, made an announcement stating that hydrogen-powered cars using fuel cells and combustion engines will be allowed to participate in the world-renowned 24 Hours of Le Mans endurance race from 2026 onwards. In a statement to the press, Filon expressed his fascination with hydrogen as a potential solution for future energy needs. He emphasized the pressing need to transition towards zero emissions for mobility, a crucial step towards preserving the health of our planet and securing a better future for the next generation. Koji Sato, the CEO of Toyota, expressed his optimism in making an announcement in the near future regarding Toyota's involvement in Le Mans. According to John Haywood, an automotive engine specialist and an emeritus professor at MIT, the conversation regarding green energy solutions has only just started. He also pointed out that electric vehicles have certain disadvantages, including the requirement for crucial materials that are often procured in ways that are unethical or environmentally harmful. According to Haywood, the internal combustion engine is not inherently unenvironmental. Rather, it is the type of fuel that the engine consumes that determines its impact on the environment. Toyota's race car is powered by hydrogen that is produced at a coal gasification plant located in Australia. The hydrogen is then transported by Iwatani Corp, a Japanese energy company, as part of a project backed by the Japanese government to promote utilization of hydrogen across different industries, including those that rely on fossil fuels. The formation of green hydrogen is achievable through the utilization of renewable energy sources to generate an electrical current that passes through water. This process, known as electrolysis, divides the water molecules into their respective hydrogen and oxygen components without the emission of carbon dioxide, which contributes to climate change. However, the International Energy Agency, IEA, reports that less than 0.1% of the world's hydrogen production is based on this method. According to critics, using renewable energy directly may be more beneficial than utilizing it to produce hydrogen. However, supporters of hydrogen argue that even hydrogen produced from natural gas can be considered environmentally friendly when carbon emissions are captured and buried beneath the Earth's surface. The challenge was duly acknowledged by Sato. During a press briefing at the race, he emphasized the necessity of establishing an atmosphere where hydrogen can be utilized before it can be widely adopted. In order for this adoption to take place, this environment must be stable and the entire system must function smoothly, from transportation to production. In addition to hydrogen's questionable environmental credentials, there exist other potential risks and drawbacks to its usage. During a test run at the Suzuka circuit, where the Formula One Grand Prix and other races are held, a Toyota vehicle powered by liquid hydrogen caught fire in March. Toyota confirmed that despite vibrations from the vehicle, hydrogen had seeped out of a loosened pipe. However, a safety leak sensor functioned as intended, halting the flow of hydrogen in under a tenth of a second. Fortunately, there were no injuries, the cabin remained secure, and the ensuing fire was successfully confined. During the 24-hour race held at the Fuji Speedway, Toyota's number 32. Corolla was one of many contestants. Unfortunately, it was inevitable that the car would not emerge victorious. The crucial process of refueling and performing necessary checks in the pit, which is vital to successful racing, took several minutes. A significant amount of time in a race where even a fraction of a second can make all the difference. According to Tomoya Takahashi, the president of Toyota's Gazoo Racing Company, the introduction of liquid hydrogen in racing might be considered a small yet positive advancement. According to him, the objective is to construct with the future in mind. The internal combustion engine has potential, and electric cars are not the sole solution. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.